is Miss Michelle. We're gonna make an ocean in a bag. So what we need is some foam, and have your mom and dad help you cut out some animals, some ocean animals, some fish, sea stars, dolphins, fish. I already did that. And then we're gonna add our blue ocean. So kids, use 2 hands to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as you can. Make sure the kids use 2 hands. Squeeze, ooh, so ooey, ooey gooey. Squeeze. And then add some glitter. Use your pincer. Glitter. Glitter. Pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. You can even add some seashells that you find at the beach. Woo! Seashells. And then, look at this. We're gonna close it. Make sure the kids squeeze, 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 squeeze it shut. And there you have it, boys and girls. Ocean in a bag. You can play with it whenever you want. But that's not very messy. And today is Messy Monday. So guess what we're gonna do? Let's make a mess. Woo! Let's make a big mess. Ready? Set. Woo! Look at that. Oh, that feels so good. Big mess. Scoop. Scoop. How fun! Yay! Have fun with your ocean in the bag this week. Have fun, friends. Take care, friends. Bye.